Welcome to this series of OFS Academia, Books of Original Entry/Journal. Books of Original Entry are books of prime entry. They are also called the journal because they are used to record daily business transactions. These are books in which transactions are first recorded in the accounting cycle, and it is the second stage in the recording cycle. Transactions are first recorded here from all the source documents and passed to the ledger. The journal is divided into two types. 1. The subsidiary journal, and 2. General journal. The subsidiary journal is further divided into 5. These are I. Sales day book, used to record all credit sales to customers. The total figure is credited to the sales/revenue accounts as part of sales, but credit sales to the customer, while the individual customer accounts that made up the total credit sales are debited with their individuals' figures only as trade receivables. 2. Purchases day book, used to record all credit purchases from suppliers. The total figure is debited to the purchases accounts as part of purchase, but credit purchases from suppliers, while the individual trade payables/suppliers accounts that made up the total credit purchases are credited with their individuals' figures only as trade payables. Free.Sales Returns Book/Returns Inward Book. The Sales Returns Book or Returns Inward Book is the book of original entry that records any returns on goods sold to customers with the total debited to the return inward journals and the value of the returns credited to the individual customers' accounts. 4. Purchases Returns Book/Returns Outward Book. The Purchase Returns Book or Returns Outward Book is the book of original entry that records returns on goods purchased to the suppliers or manufacturers. The total balance is credited to the returns outward accounts, and the individual's returns is debited to the 5. Cash Book. The Cash Book records all cash and bank transactions from the source document, both receipt and payment. The Cash Book is divided into single, 2- and 3-column cash book, and the petty cash book used to record minor expenses which are many and when recorded in the cash book will make the transaction cumbersome. The cash book is divided into 2 equal parts debit and credit side, usually shown in T format. General journal, also known as journal proper, is used to record all transactions that cannot be recorded into the subsidiary journal. The following transactions that cannot be recorded in the 5 subsidiary journals are 1. Opening and closing entries. 2. Transfer from one account to another. 3. The purchases or the sales of fixed asset on credit. 4. Adjustments in account. 5. Correction of errors. Next up, ledger and its accounts. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.